this piece right here, honey.
She wants to rip that top in.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Want me to help?
Help?
What's going on? Is it Christmas?
Oh. Yeah, it's here. You want to rip there? Ooh, good one! Good one. Good job. Look, sit it up. If you just take that up, I think you're good. Ooh. Can you lift that up? Yeah.
Wow.
Look and say, show your mommy and daddy.
Wow.
Molly, so pretty.
Look
Do
at
you know
Molly.
what that doll's name is? Molly. You want me to open it?
So pretty.
Ooh, I forgot. There's a book in here, too.
Molly, is it a baby?
Oh, are you old enough to be having babies?
Molly, is that your baby?
Can you take it out, Molly? Can you take it
Molly,
out?
do you like your baby? Ember.
This may be...